see what we have inside and what is it.
So people that always work with this kind of springs bar always suggest that you can use a stanchion bar like this one in order to make the a point when you can control the spring. It's gonna be like a safety for you when you are working in this thing, all right? So now we're gonna try to release the tension that we have in the spring. We're gonna do that slowly. I'm gonna use this bit like another bar. What we're trying to do here is release the tension of the spring. You can see, that's it, in a safety way.
What we're gonna do now is we're gonna be cutting right here in order to separate the door from the rest of the trailer. We're gonna do that here. We're gonna do that on the other side. The top, the wood remains. Wanna see what we have inside and what is it.